share the vision and strategy behind AI Infrastructure Partners, or AIIP, as well as the core thesis driving our fund. The purpose of this conversation is to provide you with a clear understanding of what we do, why we do it, and how we're uniquely positioned in the AI infrastructure space. We'll outline the opportunities we see in this transformative market, explain our disciplined approach to capturing them, and show how our expertise translates into a compelling investment opportunity. Before I dig in, a few words for compliance purposes. Statements made during this recording are for informational purposes and represent our opinions. They are subject to risks and uncertainties, some of which are significant in scope and by their very nature beyond our control. There can be no assurance that such statements will prove to be accurate, and actual results and future events could differ in a material way from said statements. Historical results are not necessarily indicative of future performance. This presentation does not constitute an offer or solicitation to invest. Any investment in the AIIP Fund LP must be made solely through the fund's confidential private placement memorandum and other offering documents, which are available upon request. Prospective investors are urged to review these documents carefully before making any investment decision. Now let's dive in, starting with a bit about who we are. My name is Bill Woodruff, and I'm an entrepreneurially minded investment professional with over 2 decades of experience building and scaling investment businesses. My career has been driven by a deep passion for identifying opportunities in investment services and strategically positioning resources to capture those opportunities. I'm a managing partner of AI Infrastructure Partners, where we focus on rigorous research, due diligence, and portfolio management to seize the rapidly evolving opportunities in AI-driven innovation. My work has spanned diverse roles from founding Bandon Capital Management and Wealth Factor, growing both businesses to over 100 million in assets, to strategically leading integrations and managing portfolios at firms like Logan Circle Partners, Fortress Investment Group, and Farther Finance. Throughout my journey, I've developed a knack for creating innovative investment strategies, designing efficient systems, and building cohesive asset allocation frameworks that drive growth and adaptability. I'm excited to bring this expertise to today's conversation as we explore the groundbreaking potential of AI infrastructure investing. Now to introduce my co-founder and fellow managing partner, Jason Frank. He's a seasoned leader with deep expertise in building, scaling, and transforming businesses at the core of AI infrastructure. Jason's career spans critical industries like semiconductor manufacturing, equipment integration, and technology-driven supply chains. His leadership has been pivotal in guiding organizations through key growth phases and major market shifts. As CEO of HIS Innovation Group, Jason led a remarkable transformation, turning a regional operation into a global semiconductor equipment manufacturer. Under his leadership, revenue skyrocketed from 11 million to around 75 million, driven by innovative solutions that disrupted the sub-fab market. Jason also brings significant experience in mergers and acquisitions. Having led both buy-side and sell-side transactions, this includes successfully navigating HIS's sale to Ultra Green Holdings, a publicly traded company. Beyond HIS, he has managed acquisitions across sectors, executed strategic expansions, and spearheaded capital investments that have fueled exponential growth. Now, as a founder of AI Infrastructure Partners, Jason applies this wealth of experience to partner with businesses critical to AI infrastructure. His focus is on unlocking growth, executing transformative strategies, and driving successful exits. Jason is an invaluable asset to the AI ecosystem, and I'm thrilled to work alongside him in advancing this space. AI Infrastructure Partners is a private equity firm focused on buyout and growth investments in the backbone of artificial intelligence and advanced computing. Our mission is to support the businesses that enable this transformative technology, targeting sectors like semiconductor equipment and advanced materials and data infrastructure. With a strong foundation in the AI ecosystem, we focus on identifying high potential companies primed for significant growth. But it's not just about providing capital. We bring decades of expertise in mergers and acquisitions, operational leadership, and navigating global markets to help these businesses scale effectively and create sustainable value. Our approach is about partnership. We work alongside companies to tackle complexity, drive operational excellence, and position them for successful exits. At AIIP, we're not just investing in infrastructure, we're empowering the businesses shaping the future of AI and advanced computing. Defining AI infrastructure is important. We break it down into 4 interconnected layers that drive the technology's evolution and scalability. At the top, we have AI itself, the algorithms, machine learning models, and applications shaping innovation. While this layer captures immense investor excitement, the valuations are high and the venture space reminds me of the dot-com bubble. High expectations, crowded competition, and unclear paths to profitability make picking winners exceptionally tough. Below that is the semiconductor and data center layer, chip design, manufacturing, and packaging. This is the engine powering AI, and it's a capital-intensive space. Here, companies controlling critical manufacturing processes or intellectual properties have a real edge. The next layer is essential AI infrastructure, where AI infrastructure partners focuses. This includes hyperscale power systems, modular data center constructions, and advanced hardware manufacturing, plus all the design and engineering that is required. It's the practical layer that connects the raw processing power of AI to its deployment. We believe this is where there are the largest gaps and the most opportunities to add value. Finally, we have the foundational generic infrastructure, the power grids, logistics, and traditional systems supporting the entire stack. While essential, this layer is less about AI's direct growth story, and we expect limited AI-linked value premiums to be found in activities here. We believe focusing on the less speculative infrastructure layers where bottlenecks, massive growth opportunity, and pricing power exist, offering a clearer path to capturing value from AI's growth. Our team combines decades of investment expertise with Jason's exceptional industry-specific operator track record to create a uniquely positioned first fund. Our mission is clear: to deliver exceptional value for our investors. We're targeting annual net returns exceeding 30% and a multiple on invested capital of over 7x over a 5 to 8 year hold period. We're focused on identifying and scaling opportunities in AI infrastructure, a rapidly expanding market ripe for innovation and investment. Our strategy at AI Infrastructure Partners is deliberate and targeted, focusing on key areas that drive both stability and growth within the AI infrastructure space. Let me break this down. First, we aim to invest in advanced manufacturing, engineering, and technical service-based companies that are untapped, yet essential to the infrastructure AI relies on. These are businesses with core capabilities critical to the future of AI, but often overlooked by traditional investors. Second, we focus on companies with strong fundamentals. We're looking for businesses with established teams, 10 million or more in revenue, profitability that meets or exceeds industry benchmarks, and positive free cash flow. Third, we seek direct controlling interests where possible. When that isn't viable, we partner with strong syndicates to build world-class boards and support exceptional CEOs. At AIIP, we firmly believe the right leadership is key to unlocking value. Finally, we plan to make $5 to $20 million investments into 5 to 8 carefully selected companies, leveraging milestone-based tranche financings to align interests and ensure performance. This disciplined approach enables us to identify, invest in, and scale the businesses driving the future of AI infrastructure. We approach value creation with a proven, scalable, and repeatable model. Our methodology is designed to source, diligence, structure, enhance, and exit investments with precision. Here's how we do it. First, deal sourcing. Our strong CEO relationships and deep sector-specific knowledge ensure a consistent pipeline of high-quality opportunities. We focus on finding the right businesses in the most critical niches of AI infrastructure. Next, company selection. We identify businesses with high potential in advanced manufacturing and technical services, companies that bring unique, essential competencies to the table. Then, deal structure. We take concentrated positions in these businesses, focusing on clearly defined growth catalysts. This approach maximizes the impact of our investments and aligns with our strategic goals. Fourth, value enhancement. This is where our expertise truly shines. We enhance deal metrics through operational improvements, sector repositioning, and strategic levers to drive growth and unlock value. Finally, exit discipline. We optimize market timing through strategic patience, ensuring that we realize maximum value when the time is right. This end-to-end approach allows us to create significant value for both the businesses we invest in and for our investors. Slide 10 is all about showcasing the tremendous value of AIIP's ecosystem. When you partner with us, you're not just gaining capital, you're tapping into a powerful network that spans the AI industries. Our relationships include deep connections with leading semiconductor manufacturers, equipment integrators, and technology innovators. These are partnerships forged over years of strategic collaboration, from the designing new product solutions to scaling groundbreaking technologies. With our team's combined expertise and proven track record of scaling businesses, we've developed an ecosystem designed to open doors. Whether it's accessing the market leaders, innovative startups, or trusted supply chain partners, we help companies leverage these connections to accelerate growth and drive value. At AIIP, we don't just invest, we leverage an industry-specialized network built to amplify impact. AI infrastructure represents a $5 to $6 trillion market propelled by an array of tailwinds ranging from accelerating technological adoption to the growing demand for the robust digital and physical infrastructure required to scale AI. Our focus is on middle market manufacturing and service-oriented businesses. These companies are at a unique crossroads where they can realize significant valuation enhancements by positioning themselves as essential contributors to AI-driven infrastructure demands. At AIIP, our strategy is clear and actionable. We pursue M&A opportunities that enable us to transform or expand manufacturing capabilities, aligning them with evolving needs of AI infrastructure. Concurrently, we focus on service-based competencies, targeting high-impact applications constrained by labor dynamics and ripe for innovation through automation and AI. The takeaway? AI is reshaping the economic landscape, and infrastructure forms the critical foundation for this transformation. AIIP is strategically positioned to help businesses unlock and sustain value in this transformative era. This page brings together the powerful forces driving the AI infrastructure revolution. These tailwinds aren't just trends, they're foundational shifts reshaping industries and global priorities. First, tech leadership in AI will demand a massive energy transformation. The computational requirements of AI applications are skyrocketing, pushing the need for energy-efficient solutions and renewable power sources to the forefront. Second, governments worldwide are prioritizing digital infrastructure with unprecedented incentives and direct investments. These initiatives are creating fertile ground for innovation and growth, especially in AI and semiconductor industries. Third, national security is redefining the global supply chain. Onshoring critical manufacturing and defense capabilities is now a strategic imperative, driving demand for resilient local AI infrastructure. Fourth, corporate technology CapEx is accelerating. Businesses are investing heavily in advanced infrastructure to stay competitive in an increasingly digital world. And finally, the surge in hyperscale facilities and chip manufacturing is transforming the industrial landscape. The race to meet global AI demand is fueling unparalleled expansion and innovation in these sectors. Together, these tailwinds represent a perfect storm of opportunity for businesses ready to innovate and scale in the AI infrastructure space. At AIIP, we're uniquely positioned to capture this opportunity. Our strategy is focused on identifying private companies that present compelling opportunities for buyout and growth investments. Specifically, we target firms facing succession challenges where a leadership transition can unlock significant value. We also look for businesses that lack the tools or expertise to capitalize on the transformational AI infrastructure tailwind. Our target companies are profitable, and we aim for transactions at attractive valuations of 4 to 6 times EBITDA. The visual on the right highlights a striking 46% valuation improvement in the multiples companies trade at simply by growing enterprise value. This illustrates the scale of the opportunity. Through targeted growth strategies and operational enhancements, we can help businesses achieve not just higher earnings, but also significantly improved market valuations. This dual impact underpins the value we aim to create for both portfolio companies and investors. Our approach to creating value is multifaceted, leveraging a variety of strategic, operational, and network-driven pathways. First, strategic levers. These include repositioning businesses into high-margin opportunities, particularly within rapidly expanding AI infrastructure sector. By aligning our portfolio companies with high-growth trends, we unlock new revenue streams and market potential. Second, operational levers. Here we focus on increasing operational efficiencies to drive margin growth while strategically bolting on complementary businesses. This disciplined approach to operational improvements and targeting acquisitions strengthens each company's market position and scalability. Third, network levers. We tap into the deep industry expertise and extensive relationships of our senior team and general partner advisory board. These networks provide unparalleled access to resources, partnerships, and market insights, amplifying the value we bring to each portfolio company. Finally, we emphasize multiple paths to exit. As shown, large sources of capital like Microsoft and BlackRock's $30 billion infrastructure fund typically avoid small and medium-sized enterprises. However, by aggregating and growing these businesses, we position them as attractive acquisition targets for major players, creating robust exit opportunities and significant upside for our investors. In 2019, Jason Frank co-founded Level 3 to acquire Hoffman Instrumentation Supply, HIS, stepping in as CEO and chairman to lead its transformation. From day one, his vision was clear, repositioning HIS from a regional fab shop into a high-volume, vertically integrated global player in semiconductor equipment and manufacturing, with a focus on integrated system solutions for chip production. Under Jason's leadership, HIS scaled from 11 million to 75 million in annual revenue, with annualized bookings exceeding 100 million. He assembled a world-class team that drove product innovation, forged global partnerships with leading semiconductor firms, and launched solutions that drove huge growth in sales and profits. By 2023, Jason's efforts culminated in the sale of HIS to Ultraclean Holdings, a multi-billion-dollar public company, for a deal size of 120 million. This remarkable achievement underscores his ability to craft and execute integrated strategies, drive operational excellence, and create value through teamwork. The growth in revenue and gross margins during his tenure highlights the transformative impact of his leadership, setting a benchmark for scaling high-potential companies in the semiconductor industry. We believe we can replicate many of these core elements that led to Jason's success in our portfolio companies. Our momentum is undeniable, with a robust pipeline of deals that positions us for continued success. Currently, we have 2 exciting opportunities under LOI and in advanced stages of diligence. Let me introduce Project Shelby, a prime example of our picks and shovels approach to AI infrastructure. This lower middle market manufacturing business with 8 million in revenue and 1.1 million in EBITDA is ripe for transformation. The potential here is massive, with clear parallels to the success we achieved with HIS Innovation Group. By leveraging our proven playbook, we can scale Project Shelby to deliver exceptional growth and value creation. The second business under LOI is a thermal management specialist, a company with unique capabilities in a critical area of AI infrastructure. With the demand for efficient cooling and thermal solutions only accelerating, this business is poised to capitalize on a booming market. Both opportunities exemplify our disciplined focus on high potential businesses aligned with the AI infrastructure megatrend. With the right leadership and execution, we're confident these investments will deliver substantial returns and reinforce our track record for scaling businesses effectively. We're particularly excited about Project Verge, a promising opportunity currently under evaluation. This business is positioned to drive growth through its strong engineering services capabilities. Design and engineering are critical across all layers of AI infrastructure, but they hold unique value for small and medium-sized manufacturers like Project Shelby and that investment, where it often isn't practical to internalize such specialized expertise. Project Verge aligns perfectly with our strategy to bridge these gaps and create value through targeted operational enhancements. Project Camus, while earlier in the pipeline compared to our first 3 deals, highlights our team's ability to source attractive, scalable opportunities. Unlike Project Shelby and Too Good, where our fund is solely responsible for the growth and buyout capital, Project Camus will require co-investment from our network to successfully execute the transaction. This approach reflects our ability to leverage partnerships to pursue opportunities that are too large to be a core part of our first fund. The AI Infrastructure Partners Fund is now open for subscriptions from accredited investors. We are targeting a total raise of $75 million, aiming to complete with a single close in January or February. The general partner has a 1% commitment to the fund. This is a focused opportunity with a 5-year investment period starting from the final close, paired with an 8-year total fund term. Our approach blends disciplined capital allocation with a clear strategy to deliver robust returns in the dynamic AI infrastructure space. We invite investors who share our vision and appetite for innovation to join us in this endeavor. Thank you for taking the time to learn about AI Infrastructure Partners, our fund, and our vision for investing in this transformative space. We are deeply committed to creating value through disciplined execution and strategic foresight in this rapidly evolving market. We encourage you to reach out with any questions or for further details. Whether you'd like to dive deeper into the investment thesis, discuss specific opportunities, or request access to our data room, our team is here to support you. Your participation and partnership are essential to our mission, and we look forward to collaborating with you as we build the future of AI infrastructure together. Please don't hesitate to contact us directly for more information.